fresh pineapple, teriyaki sauce, chicken. These teriyaki chicken tacos is where it's at. I'm not sure what you were looking for this Taco Tuesday, but I found it with these teriyaki chicken tacos. When we eat out, my kids love teriyaki dishes, and these tacos are the perfect mix of that stir-fry night and taco night. But the truth is that everything is better in a taco, right? I'm gonna combine the chicken pieces and teriyaki sauce in a large zip bag. Bonus points if you make your own teriyaki sauce, but I'm going the easy way out with store-bought. Now in the fridge it goes for at least 4 hours or overnight, which makes this recipe great to meal prep the night before. Next, the sauce. Oh, this creamy sauce. Smoky, tangy, sweet, and fresh. It's one of my kids' favorites, which makes this recipe even better. So in a blender, I'm going to add some yogurt, pineapple, lime juice, and cayenne pepper, and blend until smooth. Beautiful, right? We're gonna transfer it to a jar and refrigerate for up to 3 days. Marinating the chicken the night before is a great way to meal prep this recipe and save some time on Tuesday so you can make taco night happen. So in this large skillet, I'm gonna heat up some oil over medium-high heat and cook it for about 5 minutes before flipping it over. Now while the chicken cooks, I'm gonna start on the tortillas. You know by now that I go for the open flame, but you can warm them in the oven or the microwave. The teriyaki chicken smells so good and I am so ready for this. So to assemble, we're going to place some of the shredded romaine onto our tortillas, top it with a little cheese, teriyaki chicken, pineapple, and that magic sauce. You guys, these look beautiful. These tacos are everything that I need. I get a little crunch from the lettuce, that tang from the pineapple sauce. You guys have got to make this. The recipe and details on how you can grab a copy of the Taco Tuesday cookbook are right below this video. And if you're down there, what do you think? Leave a comment, let me know what your favorite tacos are. What's gonna make your Taco Tuesday the best eats of your week? If so, hit that red subscribe button. A new video comes out every single week. See you next time.